Okay, y'all, welcome back or welcome to another one of my videos.
I do that 3 more times again, I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch, I do it. All that I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not, as long as you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it.
So I'm recording for Instagram and YouTube. For the most part, I'm going to be looking here. I need to make sure it don't look weird. Let's start over. Cut. And today we are going to be doing a wig install. This wig, it's fall and so let's just go ahead and get into it. This is a wig. I've worn it for a year now. So this is gonna be a very detailed tutorial. Y'all see I got my microphone. See I know we're gonna get into the tea. Do my makeup or whatever. So let me know what y'all think about my makeup. I take your opinion and your criticism very serious. I'm trying to be better. Help me out. Let me know what I could do better. Don't be rude about it. First, we are going to start off with my HD caps. I already got my braid down. Your girl looking cute. I like my makeup, but I definitely think there's it could be better. It could be better. Let's stop. Alright. Hopefully I got enough storage on my phone. So these HD caps are available on my website. They come in a light brown or a dark brown for the chocolate girlies. I'm gonna leave the link, every single thing that I'm using in the description. Edge booster. Okay, and I'm going to slick back my edges. And I'm not using a lot, literally like a little goes a long way. It look a little raggedy. And then I'm gonna go through with my HD cap. And we're gonna go through with the bow hold. This is right now my favorite glue that I'm using. And we're gonna go through it and we're going to apply a very thin layer. A very thin layer. And you want to apply it a little bit above the hairline. Oh, don't forget to cut the holes in the edge. Oops, my bad.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in a hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew no.
Spread it out. Make sure y'all spread that glue out and make sure y'all get body's edge.
I got something that I could lend you. A piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine.
Hopefully this tutorial is good. Whatever. I am using Fit Me by Maybelline. I'm using the color 360. And yeah, this is my color. And I use this on my clients as well. Okay, so if you cannot find that foundation, any foundation will work as long as it is oil free. I do not like using powder foundation because it leaves it looking ashy. More ashy than what it needs to be. Like a cream type of contour type of foundation is cool also too. I think those work really good. But for the most part, I like using that because I can go physically buy it in the store. So this wig is pre-cut. I have worn this wig plenty of times. The girl, she also too, when re-wearing your wig, the best way to achieve a seamless install every time you reinstall it is to make sure that your wig is clean. The lace needs to be clean. Okay, throw it in some hot water. Do you see this? Yes, I love a new fresh lace. I'm not gonna hold you. Let's take it there. I can't afford to always buy new wigs. Baby, we finna pull Jennifer out the box, and Jennifer's finna get one again. Okay? And we gonna style her different. We gonna color her different or something. And then I'm gonna put some on me. Just like that, my boy. It's giving Lil Bill. So the reason why I did not cut this part is because usually I use a needle and a thread on my clients, but it's just so much harder to do stuff when you're doing your own hair. So we're just doing it like this. That hot comb is burning. Okay, just like that. And I'm gonna get up and fix this because I know I probably didn't do it that good, and I'm looking in the camera or whatever. Now it is time to put this wig on my head. I'm going to comb the hair off of the lace. Lancy, Lancy. I'm getting on Lancy. Yeah. And then I'm also going to hot comb. Whew. I've never did no color, y'all. I probably did like brown with a little skunk. And we just adjusted a little bit. Yeah, I don't know. Let me just put the bitch on. So after I measure it, you know what I'm saying? And also to like, if y'all see like the cap is right here and then the lace go like a little bit in front of the cap. You dig what I'm saying? Do you dig what I'm saying? So you see my finger, like this is the cap and the wig gonna lay down. So we're gonna flip this and we're gonna go ahead and start with the layers. Thin layers. Let that glue dry. We just dapping it up. Your comb start getting dirty, clean it off. Because you don't want them rumpity bumpity bumps. Because it's going to leave your lace leaving rumpity bumpity bumps. And you don't want that. I'm going to do 3 layers. 3 layers will last me 2.5 weeks. Maybe 3 weeks, you know. And I think I'm gonna do a middle part. I'm really a side part person, okay? I'm getting tired of doing my hair already. So this is very crucial. Please pay attention because I'm probably not going to talk that much because I really need to focus and I really need to melt my wig. I don't want no rumps and bumps. Hopefully y'all getting a good side view. Okay, I gotta check, make sure a bitch got enough storage. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so before I tie the elastic band down, I am going to put glue on the part that need it. And when I do this part, I'm not dabbing it up. I'm going to put it on here. But it's already even scalp, so that's all I gotta say. So we're gonna pull the baby hairs out, of course. To cut some of this, I don't know why. I feel like every time I put on a wig, I always end up cutting some lice. Spray some of this. Hopefully I got some in this bitch. Ooh. And we're going to be using the elastic band. I also have these available on my website. They $10. Okay, stop playing. Yep, tight down, just like that. When you tie the elastic band down, just make sure you pull your baby hairs. Okay. Y'all. He keep playing with me. He don't know. I like this. It's heat protecting, but it's also like a mist. Dang, I love a good side part. Is we doing a side part? Is you thinking what I'm thinking? Side part it is! Puff, 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 puff. So we got needs to be flat. Okay, leave that band on. What did you do? Why is you touching on the band? Why is you? Nobody told you to do that. Don't worry about it. If your circulation is not being cut off, you're not doing it right. Thank you. Smoking. I got this hot comb from my local beauty supply store. I'm gonna try to find one off of Amazon though, so I can show y'all. It gets real hot. Okay, it don't even got no temperature where you could turn it up and down. It only go to one temp. Okay, and that is hot as hell. Okay. What I think I'm gonna do is braid it up. Like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all see how flat that is? Okay, it's baby hair time. Back with my edge booster. I'm done doing this shit, man. I'm tired. And there we have it. Yeah. I can't believe I'm a redhead. What the fuck? I hope you guys enjoy my video. I hope it was very educational. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah.